had this for about 5 days now, and I've seen countless amounts of comments trying to guess what's inside this big box. It's a high claim item. Big money. 2 money symbols. Not 1, not 3, 2. High claim dollar item. I need to use tools to open this box. Let's go ahead, start ripping it apart, and get into it. Some of my personal favorite videos on YouTube are unboxing videos. I don't know why. I think it's the mystery of what's in this box. I know what's in this box, but still you have no idea what's in this box. Well, I need way bigger pliers for this. Oh, you're just gonna destroy the box?
You want this thing out of here, right? What, are you gonna live in here? Ready?
Woo!
Can I just rip it?
Yeah, go ahead. You can try. I don't know if it's gonna come off that easy though. It's worse, the sunglasses. Oh, you're close. You're so close.
It's the bottom.
Oh no, there's one on the bottom.
Oh my god.
What, that's it?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. It's basically what Jackie has.
You're so come on! Come on!
Where are we?
No,
Oh, it's right here. Oh, this.
That's
You ready? Cut to this one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! There it is! Damn! We now officially have a tire changer. So no more going to a shop and paying like $15 a wheel. Now everyone at the shop can do their tires whenever they want, and we have a matching balancer. Huge shout out to Ranger for sending this stuff out to us. Damn. This thing is legit, dude.
It's got like
It's got a little nipple.
little knob.
It's like Krima. Merry Krima, everybody.
The real question is, how do we take this out?
You don't.
You need the pallet jack. Actually, you gotta take all this shit off.
All right, send it. Oh. You got it.
Huh?
You got it.
Easy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We should all lift it at the same time.
Back or now, guys?
All of this.
It's all jack.
Yeah, it's all just.
You know the.
Oh. Okay, watch these staples, okay?
Can't.
Okay, watch the
All right,
camera.
I got it.
Watch the staples. Watch the camera. Let's just set it down. Did you see that?
No, I had no idea that was on the top.
Me neither.
I have no idea how to use any of
You
this.
never used the tire before? I haven't used it in a long time. This is really nice.
Damn. Changer and balancer. That's legit. I want to pick up where I left off yesterday, and the first thing I did when I got here today is I took apart the VVTi banjo bolt to disinspect the filter, because I realized I didn't do that yesterday when inspecting the solenoid. And when I went to take that banjo bolt out, the filter was actually stuck inside the VVTi system somewhere. I don't know exactly what I would call it. So when I slid this bolt out, there's supposed to be like a thimble-sized filter on the end of it, and it's actually stuck inside here somewhere, and I've been trying to pick it out all day, and I've been unsuccessful.
Picking at your butt, Teach.
Yeah, I was picking at my butt, Calv. That either tells me that maybe the filter just got like detached from this bolt because it pretty much just sits inside of it, or it's clogged or it's broken, which could have some reason as to why we're having VVTi issues. So to get to it, we're gonna have to take off the throttle body, so we just went ahead and took off the intercooler setup and the bracing for everything. And now the next thing I'm gonna do is take off this throttle body, and we should be able to pull out this filter and inspect it and get an idea of what it looks like.
Can you see in there?
No.
Let me see. I got it. You ready? Ready for the doctor?
Yeah.
It got stuck again. I don't know how to get it unstuck though. It got stuck. I had it. It was in here. I should have just used the pliers at that point, huh? Fuck me. That's a fucking lot. Oh, it's right here. I'm so close. Here, let me get the camera in there. Hold up. What is I can get?
Oh.
Oh, you can see it. It's right there. You see that plastic ring with the little teeth on there? That's the thing.
All right, I'm really close to getting.
Come on, Teach, you got it, baby.
I got it. Yes!
Got it?
I got it!
Good on you, Teach.
Finally.
That is the problem?
This
Is it dirty? Is the mesh dirty? Ooh,
Well, it wasn't on the bolt. So my initial theory is clean it, let's stick it back on the bolt so it's in its correct position and try again.
Hopefully it doesn't get lost in there again.
Yeah, well, let's try putting it on the bolt and see if it holds.
Look in there. There's like an O-ring. Do you see that? It's missing on one side. See, it's like chipped or broken. See that?
Oh, yeah?
I think that's the issue.
Yeah.
So like oil's not supposed to be getting by. You can see the rings all cracked.
I think,
That's-
yeah, but you still need to replace that.
Something seems fucked up with that too, though. Maybe that's what flew through or something. Maybe there was an O-ring or a clip.
Well, now that I think about it, when you screw this, I mean, let's say you place it in, right? And you screw it all the way in, it's gonna hit its back point.
That's what I was thinking too, but it was clipped in before. I'm almost positive it was.
Yeah, because when you pull it out, it should come with it.
Yeah, I think something got passed through, baby. I don't know, sir. This
Yeah, I
looks
don't
like a
know.
problem.
The filter, after I did my research, is just supposed to float around in that banjo bolt. It doesn't like snap in or anything like that. So I cleaned it completely and put it back in. And we're just kind of going back to where we ended yesterday. We're just gonna wait for the new solenoid to come in. When that solenoid comes in, then we will do our testing. That's my guess at this point. I talked to Trevor from Motion Auto TV and he was maybe thinking it could be injector related, but before I jump down that rabbit hole, I'm gonna wait for the new solenoid to come in, and then I'm sure most of you are asking why haven't you done a compression test. I seriously doubt it's anything mechanical. It's not like we're pushing this motor, it's like barely making 600 horsepower, which is like very under the standard of what this motor can handle. I probably will do one just to like rule that out, but it's not the first thing on my list I'm looking for. I started this vlog super late in the day and the sun's already going down. I normally film super early in the morning, but today I had to film like closer to the afternoon. And the sun already went down. I haven't given you guys a closer look at this tire machine, mainly because I have no idea how to use it quite yet. The tire balancer, we had to put some stuff together, but this one actually came already all done up. So obviously we're gonna have to unbolt it from this pallet, and we're gonna have to get a hammer drill and drill this into the ground like we did for the air compressor. This obviously isn't stable when you're trying to use it to put on a tire. I have no idea how this shit works, but I'm sure we'll figure it out soon. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, tomorrow the BRZ changes forever. See ya.
And I'm feeling